Live from the command center at jwsolarusa. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing of my Dewalt Dw705 12 inches blade. That's the thing. It's a 4,000 RPMs. He pulls about 13 amps. You see right in the corner right there, 13 amps. So this is gonna be for projects I'm doing, but right now it's coming to winter, fall, and pretty soon it's gonna be winter, and I want to make sure that it's well secured for cold or moisture or whatever. I'm gonna store this one so you guys can see more videos of tools coming up. I got two of them, so I'm shrink wrapping it right now just to show you guys. Let me show you. I have a Pro Tool Sharp, something like that. Hold on. All right, I said it wrong. It's a Pro. You see right there is a Pro Tech, and this pulls 13 amps too at 4,000 RPMs. You can see that. Okay, I think it's a 48 RPMs. So this one has more revolutional. The spin is a 4,800 RPMs at 13 amps, and the Dewalt is just 4,000 RPMs. So it does a lot of stuff. So you can see where the sawdust go, and the bag is already. So I shrink wrap this already. You guys can see. Sorry, I was gonna do this, but trying to get things ready for all prepared and packed for the winter. And here's the Dewalt. Okay, so these kind of commercial grade or whatever. You know, these things are not cheap, guys. You understand that? You guys know. So it's a Dw705 12 inches compound meter saw. So it does a lot of stuff. So I have more plans I can show you guys, and videos gonna be coming up soon, and we can go from there. Here are both the machines side by side. So I'm gonna shrink wrap these, and my wife is here today, is gonna help me and put all these things, wrap them up. I think there's an extra tool here. That's a tool. So I think for the blade. So we can go full review on these and show you guys how everything, and probably you guys already know more than I do anyway. So I'm just new to this, so want to make sure I respect tools. I got to know how to handle them right, because they're very dangerous. If that blade is spinning at 4,800 RPMs and this one is a 4,000 RPMs, no joke, man. But it has a lot of protection on it. When you pull it down, you got to squeeze this lever right here is the switch, and because of that, you still have a thin pin. You have to pull here to let this head lift it. So a lot of features on it. It's like brakes on it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa, back now on tools. Okay, so we just sampled that with the generator, the Yamaha. This little guy was running it like nobody's business. Like and subscribe.